President, my adjournment is for the Minister for Health in the other place, Minister Thomas. Recently, I had the privilege of visiting Victoria's brand new heart hospital in Clayton. I pay tribute to Professor Stephen Nichols, Director of the Monash Victorian Heart Institute and the Victorian Heart Hospital, for their insightful tour of this fantastic facility. In Australia, we all know how impactful heart health complications are. One person dies every 12 minutes from heart disease. 6 Australians have a heart attack every hour, and heart disease is the leading cause of death. So it is a big deal that Australia's first standalone heart centre is here in Victoria, in Clayton's Innovation Cluster. It was great to see how integrated the centre was. The hospital provides clinical cardiology services, research and education to create a centre of excellence. Since the opening of the hospital in February, 1,000 patients have already been treated with the highest standard of care. This means that patients don't need to move around the hospital during extended stays. By bringing the service to them, it makes the experience less intense for staff and patients alike. I also had the honour of meeting staff members. They are all experts in their field. And this goes for hundreds of clinicians and researchers working there. This breadth of experience means that this hospital can provide a range of integrated services. Think prevention and intervention. They offer services like health checks or heart checks. So, President, I remind the community of Southern Metro of the importance of regular screening for cardiovascular issues, particularly for those with a family of history. This hospital will have a lasting benefit to my community: 2,150 cardiac surgeries, 108,000 consults and 30,000 emergency cardiac visits each year. Over 206 beds, the hospital will educate 300 undergraduate students, 260 postgraduate students and 20 PhD students every year. President, I was pleased to visit the classrooms and research facilities that these students will enjoy. As a father of a nurse and a husband of a nurse, I know what these facilities will appreciate. President, I am proud to be part of the Andrews Labor government, who will always back our healthcare system, a government who promised, funded and delivered this hospital in partnership with the Monash Health and Monash University. So, President, my adjournment is to the Minister is this: will the Minister please inform me of what educational campaigns the Department of Health is making to inform my community of Southern Metro of the importance of getting your cardiovascular health check regularly? And before I end tonight, I'd like to end by saying this: every 12 minutes someone dies from heart disease in Australia, so get tested.